Here we are in Captain DIO land in my new home that I've run into. Got a lot of little neighbors over here playing with their cool toys. To be young again, you know. To be young again. I just took the Zuma out, took the wife for a ride. She never likes to go for a ride, but it worked perfect. And the bike's all cleaned up. The DIO is ready to go, except I want to put that big intake on right here. I'm doing some work on the house. There hasn't been any work done on it for 15 years, so I'm doing some auto body on the house. I'm going to make it look beautiful. And we come back in here, we got tunes, which are not on because I can't, YouTube won't let me play them, but the 600 is right here waiting to go. I got to take that bad boy out, but we have to have insurance now in the state I'm in. And you know, it's a good thing, but they ask you all kinds of stupid questions. Has a frame been lengthened? Does it have a turbocharger on it? How many airbags come with the bike? And I look at these people like, somebody actually hired you for the job? These new 1985 bikes, I mean, airbags were optional back then. Don't they know anything? There's a little gyro, it's doing really nice. And I'm just having a nice time in my little world. This house was built out of a Japanese motif in 1967. Why? That's just the way they did it at that time. And all the fixtures in it are about the same. As I walk in this enclosure, and it has a 7-foot wall. This little tree was here about in 67, and you can see it's pulled up the concrete slabs, which I have to pull them up and fix them. But it's a really cool, I don't know if it's a Japanese cherry tree or what. But see, like, this is one of the old fixtures originally from the house. And then it comes with this little pagoda. I think it's a pagoda. I took all the stuff off the top, but I noticed it has a light in there that still works. There's a light on the inside of this screen door. I have a screen door into the living room right here, and there's a light you switch so you can turn on the pagoda and sit out here. It's really weird as far as, now Japanese probably understand this better than I would, but you can sit out here in the morning or at night or anytime. It's like everybody is right on the other side of the wall talking. It's like you're around all these people, and it's great, but they can't see you. And I guess, you know, there's some kind of feng shui. I gotta get rid of that. That's not really harmonious. But there's some kind of harmony, and so I waited almost 20 years for this house, and I got a lot of work to do. But then again, you know, I'm pushing. I'm not a spring chicken anymore. Okay, well, I hope you like that tour. These are my new mirrors that I got from Amazon. They work really nice. I've got to check my fluid down here. I have to take this off. But the bike is running really nice so far. That's what you want to do, is you want to take your DIO, get it running for the year, tighten everything up, and don't change 16 things and go, well, it's not quite running right. If you're going to change the intake, change the intake. Don't change the carb, because the intake makes a big difference. Then you know the carb is stock. And this pipe is absolutely, if this pipe were a woman, I'd marry it. YFLS. This is the best pipe. Now I won't tell you what it costs, but I can tell you what. It's worth every damn penny I paid for it. Thank you so much, Steve Ventrise at VT Cycles in Hawaii. I hear I'm pretty famous in Hawaii too. It's kind of funny. I have my little bike in a little town. I drive everywhere. I hardly ever drive. I never drive with anyone. I'm just alone. And I talk to people around the world and they know me. So this old man needs money. Send beer. I need beer. Stella, I could have been a contender. Thank you.